Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we will start our new chapter, that is flying high. Okay, you all have seen different birds around you. You have seen bird like parrot, peacock, pigeon, eagle around you. You all have seen these birds in your house, flying in the sky, on a tree, etc. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about the characteristics of these birds. So what are the characteristics of bird? Let's start characteristics of bird. Firstly, we have birds have a skeleton inside, so they are called vertebrates. What are they called? Vertebrates, because they have a skeleton inside. Birds have colorful feathers covering their body. What is the next feature of a bird? That they have a colorful feathers. Next, they lay eggs. Baby birds are born from eggs. So, what is the next feature the birds have? They lay eggs. Birds have long and grooved tail. We all have seen, we all know that birds have a grooved and long tail. So they have different kinds of beak. They have little holes in their beak to let air pass through. Birds breathe the air with lungs. So how do the birds inhale? So they inhale through their beaks. The beaks have holes their in their beaks. So what is the next feature characteristic of a bird? They do not have teeth. Then what should they use? They use beak to tear, bite or chew the food. So here it is our next characteristic. They have feet and claws. They build their nest at places beyond the reach of other land animals. They build their nest. So next, now we will discuss that all birds have wings, two legs, and the birds are the only animals that have feathers. And a bird's body consists of head, trunk, wings, legs, and a tail. Okay, now we will discuss what helps a bird to fly. You all surprised to know that a bird flies with the help of its wings, and the wings have feathers attached to them which help them to fly. And the bird has a boat shaped body. What is the shape of the body? It is a boat shaped body which help it to fly in the air easily. This is the boat shaped body which help the bird to fly in the air easily. And the next is its bones are hollow and the filled with air. This makes it light. As the bones are hollow, so it makes it light. So a bird can fly very easily. And the next is its tail helps it to change its direction during flight. How a bird changes direction? Its tail help to change the direction. So this we know how a bird fly. What helps a bird to fly? Now we will discuss the types of feather. Firstly, you all know that the feathers of birds are of different colors, shapes, and size. Their feathers help them to fly and keep them warm too. You know, from time to time, birds lose their old feathers and new ones grow in their place. You must have often seen feathers of birds lying around. So, you can collect them. Okay, you can collect feathers which you find lying around. Okay, so you know different birds have different feathers of different colors. Birds have mainly three types of feathers. What are the three types of feathers? These are flight feathers, down feathers, and the body feathers. What are flight feathers? Flight feathers. Some feathers are long and flat. They remain attached to the wings and tail. They help the bird to fly. What I'm saying? The flight feathers are attached to the wings and the tail, and they help the bird to fly, so they are called flight feathers. What are they called? They are called flight feathers. Next is down feathers. Some feathers are short and soft. They act like a warm sweater. What are they act like? Act like warm sweater. They keep the bird's body warm in cold weather. And the next category is body feathers. Body feathers cover the body of the bird. They give to the bird's body, as the name suggests. What is the name suggest? Body feathers cover the body of the bird. Okay, that's all for the today.